Hi everyone, and welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down vitamins, what they are, why you need them, and which ones actually matter for your health. So let's get started. What are vitamins? Vitamins are organic compounds your body needs in small amounts to function properly. They don't provide energy like the carbohydrates or the fats, but they act as helps in thousands of bodily processes, such as boosting your immunity, keeping your skin, your eyes, and your nerves healthy. There are 13 essential vitamins grouped into two categories. The first category is the fat soluble vitamins, which include the vitamins A, D, E, and K. They are stored in the body fats, so you don't actually need them every day. The second category is the water soluble vitamins, which include the B complex vitamins and the vitamin C. These vitamins are not stored, so our body needs them more regularly. Here is what you really need to know about the major ones. For vitamins A, it is crucial for your vision, your skin, and immunity. It is found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. For vitamin B complex, they provide energy, help in brain function, red blood cells formation, and they are found in whole grains, eggs, and beans. For vitamin C, it provides antioxidants and boosts immunity. It also helps in collagen production, and it is found in citrus fruits and bell peppers. For vitamin D, this is also called the sun vitamin, and it is very important for bones, mood, and immunity. And you can get vitamin D from the sun, fatty fish, and fortified foods. For vitamin E, it protects our cells from oxidative damage. You can find it in nuts, seeds, and spinach. For vitamin K, this helps with blood clotting and bone health. It is found in leafy greens like garlic and broccoli. Here is the big question. Do you really need to take supplements? For most people eating a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, you are very covered. But certain groups might need extra support. For vegans and vegetarians, they need B12 and sometimes iron. For people with little sun exposure, they need vitamins D. For pregnant women, they need folic acid. Older adults need vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Always remember that more isn't always better. Taking too much of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin D or vitamin A can actually be harmful. So, what's the takeaway in today's video? Number one, aim for a balanced, colorful diet first. Number two, consider supplements only if you have specific needs. Number three, always talk to your doctor before starting high dose vitamins. So, here's your crash course for vitamins 101. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with someone who is already asking if they need a multivitamin. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.